What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of canceling an order on StockX, a popular online marketplace for buying and selling sneakers, streetwears, and electronics, and more. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or realized there was an error, knowing how to cancel your order quickly can save you time and hassle. I'm going to be honest with you and tell you straight to the point. Actually, you can't cancel your order on StockX because after a bid has been accepted, you can cancel a StockX order. Since StockX operates like a stock market, it relies on buyer commitment and seller fulfillment. So make sure that when you want to buy an item in StockX, prepare an exact amount to buy the item you bid on because there will be no turning back if you win the bid and get an item. Remember to act quickly and check your order status to ensure a smooth cancellation. If you frequently purchase from StockX, being familiar with the cancellation process can help manage your orders more effectively. As for now, cancellation is not available for StockX, but for further assistance, consider checking StockX customer support resources. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.